Okay, so quarantine, not much to do. So what I decided to do, clean time. So I've already gotten started. I did quite a bit. I did all the seats here. Ooh, she looking clean. I vacuumed a little bit ago, so I came in to finish. Looking pretty clean, I'd say. I'm using, there's a sale at my store I go to. So I got all these on sale, you know. Product doesn't really matter too much, but that's what I'm using. That's what I'm doing today. All right, so as you can see, I got the carpets all wiped down, clean here, looking good. Started wiping down the all the plastic parts now. That's what I'm up to now. Going pretty well, I think. A couple problems like that. Yuck, what's going on there? This is still a thing. Yeah, but so far so good. So far so good. All right, so now moving on to the windows. Kind of getting the windows. Got my wipes here. Just been wiping them down a little, you know. Just a little bit of a wipe. Not too worried about the outside windows, but more of the inside. Haven't really done it, so doing that now. Got everything else wiped, all the plastics looking good. Coming around pretty nicely, I think. And then I'm gonna go for the wheels. Yep, the wheels. You know, because those need to get done too. Show them love. So, almost done. Instead of doing the wheels, I decided to vacuum first. Boom, there's a vacuum. Can I flip this? No. But it's looking really nice now. I don't know if you can really tell. You can see, but like, can you see? This used to be so dirty. Oh my gosh. Looking really good. Really clean. All right, time for the wheels. First, I gotta clean this stuff up. Okay, so I'm done. Let me show you this. Boom. Looking pretty good. I haven't been driving her, so the brakes are kind of rusty, but you know, that's how it is. Weird clicking. I'll put the video. I took a video before of the clicking sound. You know, pretty clean. Hey, yeah. So, first kind of vlog, kind of weird, but just doing it for fun now. I've had 3 other channels, but you know, this is what I wanted to do. This time, I'm not gonna be as wild as I was. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But yeah, see you.